wanna know his secret?
A single day ticket to Blizzard Beach costs over $50. Considering that you're not likely to spend a full day at Blizzard Beach, that's a lot of money. Fortunately, it's very unlikely that you'll pay that much to visit Blizzard Beach, since, if you plan wisely, you won't have to buy a single day ticket. One of the reasons we recommend buying park hoppers with the water park fun and more option in our Walt Disney World ticket buying tips article is because it's a low-cost add-on and makes visiting the water parks and other non-theme park locations really cheap, as low as $10/visit. Alternatively, locals or other frequent water park visitors can purchase annual passes that include the water parks, or separate water park annual passes that cost about as much as 2 single-day water park tickets. So really, your only cost when contemplating a water park visit is your finite vacation time. Vacation time is quite valuable to many guests, so whether Blizzard Beach is worth your time is an important question worth asking, even if the tickets are relatively cheap. I'll answer that in the review section below. How is Blizzard Beach themed? Blizzard Beach is themed as a melted-away ski resort in Central Florida that has since become a water park. According to the park's backstory, one balmy day, a freak winter storm developed over part of Walt Disney World Resort and blanketed the area with snow. Opportunistic individuals then quickly created Florida's first ski resort in that spot, with ski and toboggan runs. Unfortunately, as construction was completed, Florida weather returned to normal, and the snow began melting. Around this time, Ice Skater, who came to be the park's mascot, came flying down the summit plummet launch on skis, and crashed into the village. Wanting to make the most of their investment, the park was transformed into a water park, with most of the ski areas retrofitted into being areas for water adventure. Blizzard Beach executes this backstory flawlessly, with the park really looking like a failed ski resort. Upon walking through the entrance, the park immediately looks like a quaint Swiss chalet ski village. As someone who grew up going to small ski towns, many of which also borrowed this architectural style, I'll say that Disney nailed that theme with Blizzard Beach. What attractions are there at Blizzard Beach? As far as formal attractions go, Blizzard Beach has slides, raft rides, kiddie play areas, a giant bobbing wave pool, and a lazy river. Arguably, lounging around and enjoying the ambience is an attraction, possibly the best one, too. Blizzard Beach is organized so that everything is oriented in terms of slopes, and each of the 3 slopes have colors with various attractions. Unlike an actual ski slope, the colors don't really arrange attractions by intensity, just by location. Guests can use their feet to walk to the top of Mount Gushmore, where the green slope and purple slope are located, or use the less efficient, but cooler, chairlift to get them from the top to the bottom.